Okay, hi. I am Ethan. And today we are going to draw. What was it again? We are going to draw an iPad. So first, you have to draw a rectangle. And then, so draw a rectangle like that, like the amount of that, and do the same thing on the other side. And then, if you're making a mistake, I don't even know how to draw it. So if you make a mistake, it's okay. I'm using pen, but if you're using pencil, you can erase it anytime you want. Next, you're going to draw 2 lines on the sides, like this. 2 lines on the side. Okay? Okay. If you've done that, you could draw 1 dot on right side, and you could draw a circle on left side. So I'm going to draw a dot and a circle. Okay, so it should look like this right now. And next, what you want to do is you have to draw the sides again, outlining, but don't do other parts. Just draw the side of the outlines and connect when you do that. So it should look like this now. Okay. And then next, all you have to do is just draw something inside. Okay, if you want to copy me, it's alright. If you want to draw something else, it's okay too. I'm going to draw a Minecraft person inside. And let's see, what do I want to draw around it? Okay, so first draw a square. And then you draw a rectangle for its body. Then you could add any hairstyle. I'm going to add my hairstyle. Like this. Oh, yeah. 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 Okay. I'll do it. Okay, my hair goes down here. And then I have to make it all the way down here. Then just draw a bunch of scribbly lines in the hair. And then it's like there's some black, white stuff. Yeah. Then you draw your eyeballs. Put a circle. If you want a mustache, just add it if you want. I'm not. Okay. Okay. Next, draw the legs, which is also rectangles. And you have to draw it all the way to the bottom. All the way to the bottom. I'm just going to draw 3 lines, like this, 3 lines, because the legs are connected in Minecraft. And I'm going to draw 1 line, 2 line, leave the middle, and draw the other leg, but then you're going to draw a rectangle that goes up and back down, up, and back down. You're going to connect those lines after you draw it. Now it's like this. That's the legs. Okay, now you have to draw the arms. First, you could do as long arms as you want. I'm going to do it like that. And same as other hand. Then you're going to scoop it. Oop. Put that down. Bam, line, bam, line. Then we could add some clouds, which is scribbly lines. Okay. Scribbly lines. Scribbly lines. Scribbly lines. Now you're going to draw a Minecraft tree. Line, line, and some Minecraft blocks. Okay, and if you want to draw a hole, you could draw a hole. You could draw a half hole. Like that. And then you could draw a little birdhouse. Draw some lines. Okay, and next. Okay, hope you liked my draw your own DIY iPad video. Bye. See you in the next video. Bye. Oh, make sure to write your name and the date. What? E-T-H. What just happened? Okay, next. Ethan's DIY iPad video. Video. June 12. Then it's all done. Want to add something? Draw some hands.